What's up guys, welcome to Barrookie. In today's video I'm going to share my progress with the one arm pull-up, and today we're at week 16 already of trying to get to that one arm pull-up. As you may or may not know, I am trying to get to one arm pull-up by using a pulley system in order to assist me doing the one arm pull-up and making sure that it mimics the one arm pull-up as much as possible. Now with the counterweight, the lower the weight is going to be, the more I have to go and do the one arm pull-up myself. Now, I was at 15 kilos when I did the short about the one arm pull-up, but now looking at the footage, I barely hit 15 again. So I could be very discouraged at my progress if I'm looking like that at the one arm pull-up. Now, luckily for me, in today's video, I made 3 huge volume PRs with the one arm pull-up, which made me very, very excited about the future.
Nice. Bíceps. Bíceps.
So even though the strength gains didn't manifest itself in lowering the weight even more, I was able to see some strength progress by doing more volume, more repetitions, and getting overall better at the form. Now, surprisingly, when I went to do just the one arm pull-up for fun and see how high I could get, well, initially I thought I didn't make any progress at all. Because if you look at the earlier footage, what you can see is that I go with my other shoulder almost at the same height as the one that I did today. Now, what is different between the two executions is that with the one, I'm just lifting my shoulder higher up, and with the other one, my arm bends more, but I'm not lifting my shoulder up that much. That gives the illusion that the progress has remained the same, but I was so excited to see that the angle of my arm actually got shorter and that I'm actually making some progress with the one arm pull-up. This is a great example for if I was only looking at the amount of weight I had left with the counterweight, I would be very sad because I would be seeing that my progress went backwards. But by looking at my volume PRs, by looking at the fact that I also gained significantly amount of angle with my arm is very encouraging, and it makes me also very hopeful that that one arm pull-up is going to be achievable and that I am going to attain that one awesome strength feat. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got something out of it. If you are stuck in a progression, if you are stuck in a movement, or if you're trying to achieve something, make sure you track all of the things around that movement and you're not just looking at one number. Make sure you're also evaluating how well you're performing in the movement and also how well your volume PRs are, because in my opinion, these are also as important as that final number. So thank you so much for watching again, and I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace!